The educational part of this day, and we're going to step into the legal. We're going to hear some stuff that you guys need to hear, okay? With all these mandates, know that mandates are law. And we got a couple people here to back that up. So we got Jane Sharp, okay? She's a paralegal. She's going to speak out, so let me see that energy again for Jane Sharp.
We have to stand up for our rights, but what you have to do first is find out what are your rights and how they're protected in law. And first and foremost, the vaccine passports specifically violate several privacy laws. They violate OSHA. OSHA expressly states that they're not to provide, or they're not to require any medical information. Employers.
Sounds better.
Closer? Okay. OSHA is Occupational Health and Safety Act in Ontario. You can look that up for yourself. It's really easy to follow. And the, the Public Health Protection and Promotion Act also says that the public health workers are not to be coerced, and that OSHA prevails if there's any conflict. So there you go. I think yesterday the Commissioner of Privacy put out a statement stating that based on the current information that's available about COVID, these mandates are unlawful. They're a violation of your privacy rights. And he also said that anybody that's going to be demanding the vaccine passport should find out first the legality of it. He states that there needs to be changes in statute, not rinky-dinky bylaws. And another important thing to look into is, do we use the Charter or do we use the Bill of Rights? I'm promoting the Bill of Rights for a number of reasons. It applies to all of this because it applies to all enforcement, because the Criminal Code of Canada is subject to the conditions of the Canadian Bill of Rights, and they apply to all enforcement. So this bylaw enforcement, it applies to, so they're bound to not violate your rights and whatever nonsense they're doing. And as well, when they're engaging an employer or a store or whatever to enforce this rinky-dinky bylaw, you also fall under the criminal code and therefore the Canadian Bill of Rights. So you can say to the public health, if they're pressuring you to apply this vaccine passport situation, no, because that would mean I would be violating the Canadian Bill of Rights, and it's also illegal to pressure somebody through threats. So you would also be violating the Criminal Code of Canada. So tell them, take a hike. As a matter of fact, I recommend don't even let them in your building. They have no right of entry, period. Put a no trespass to public health, bylaw, and police without a warrant. Put that on your door. Tell them to take a hike. They won't even know if you're asking for the passport or not because they can't see. So I'm recommending Canadian Bill of Rights. It's a stronger document. It has unconditional rights. It does apply to these municipal matters because they're enforcement matters. And there's many other reasons why the Charter is a piece of junk. It actually supports the communist agenda because Section 1 gives them the right to override your rights if they have a demonstratively justified reason. Problem being, they don't have to go to the court first and establish that they have a good reason. They just go for it, and then we have to initiate a constitutional challenge. Very expensive, time-consuming, and we'd have to have a public health science pissing contest in order to maintain our rights that way. So who the hell wants to go there? Bill of Rights, it's available and applicable everywhere, anywhere, court, out of court. and it's applicable to all the COVID shit where there's any force being applied or coercion. So that's it.